Let me delete these drawings, actually. It's the same bias in sentiment. Obviously, ES is much, much weaker than NQ. So we can obviously see right now there's actually SMT divergence being formed. So basically looking at this daily time frame, we've already taken this high right here on NQ, right? So that's what we're doing right now is we're tapping into that daily fair value gap right here. And on ES, we are not doing that. So we have SMT divergence pretty prominent, I would say, on the daily time frame. Make it gray. And so we can be mindful of that, and just knowing that if we do end up getting shorts, probably would make more sense to do so on ES, as long as obviously the candles kind of show that same relative weakness on ES. Look at the 5 minute here on ES. I like this structure right here so far. We're already on the 5 on NQ. You can just see, like, look at, we got SMT forming here on the 5 now too. You can just see the relative weakness. The unwillingness to even break this high, meanwhile NQ's no problem whatsoever. The structure I was referring to is this right here. I like that this poked up above that high, and then we sold off, and we got this little displacement right here. Little 5 minute fair value gap, 3 minute fair value gap. God, I don't hate that, to be honest. I might end up getting short right here, guys. Yeah, let's do it. I'm going to get shorts. I guess I'll do just two contracts. It's kind of already starting to go. Quick trade, guys. Stop at the high. 4.75 handles. I just like this gap. I like the way this looks. We got this poke above this this high. We saw this price breakdown market structure shift on the 1 through 5 minute chart. Fair value gap entry. Bearish SMT. I think it's worth taking a stab here. Looking to target, we got opening range low here. This would be TP1. And then TP2, probably just get out here. Something nice, short and sweet, 17 points. So yeah, TP1, TP2, guys, these lows. That happened quicker than I thought it would, guys. All right. $154. I mean, 1,000 would put me at probably gonna do that just to play it safe. I'll be over halfway there on this eval then. I'll be kind of right in the middle for the top step trade. I'm like right in the middle of TP1 and 2. If I would have had 3 or 4 contracts on, I would just split them. I'll do like 2 and 2. There we go. TP1 just got hit, guys. Just tapped it. Partial if you can. Oh, I didn't really break through it just yet. Going risk free. I don't really need to close it. I'm over halfway now on the account. We're in that 15-minute gap. There we go. Didn't need to mess with it. Perfect. All right, I just hit that 15-minute gap. Still holding for TP2, which is this low. For those of you guys that are holding on MetaTrader or anywhere else, yeah, TP2. Honestly, yeah, TP2, I would close most of it there. And then if you want to hold for a runner, I would hold like a little small sum for these lows right here. This will be TP3. All right, what's going on YouTube? Wanted to add this into the video and just showcase how the trade ended up playing out. We hit all take profits, even the runners hit take profit here, 39 plus points on the S&P 500. And comparing that to NQ, We had a very nice run on NQ, which I think is still yet to come, unless we form bullish SMT and for some reason bounce up. But yeah, we had a very nice trade today, whether people took it on NQ or ES. 174 points down so far. Maybe potentially we take out all these lows as well, which I kind of think will be what happens, but we shall see. But yeah, great trade on the S&P 500. And to show you guys how you could have even re-entered this trade and added positions, etc., was by doing this. 15-minute fair value gap, could have entered there. Boom. Even after you waited, even if you missed that entry and it sold off here, dropping down to the 1 minute, there was a beautiful 2022 model entry here on the 1 minute chart right here. And here, technically there was two of them. So, but this one would have been the one that I was watching. Thought about putting another position on here just for fun, but decided not to. Would have liked it just because we had all these relative equal lows right down below, so that would have been a good place to enter, and that still was another, like, how many points was this? That was 16 points in and of itself, so that would have been a good spot to enter again as well. Looks like price is selling off, so I'm assuming NQ will take out those lows as well. But yeah, great trade today, great week, amazing week. There's really not much else to say. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys do well. And I will see you guys next week.